I might be that nurse who was one day called to try and save yours or a loved one's life. But on a daily basis, only you can save your moral dignity. Is it dignified to mistreat someone treating you with care and courtesy? Would you quarrel and say it is moral to injure a healer? Some couldn't care less about how often I am struck by careless cuts or how micro-insults are rubbed in, which results in my painfully unnecessary demoralisation from certain staff and certain patients who carelessly or intentionally wound me with words, tear me with their tongue tones, or maliciously mark me with micro-invalidations, micro-assertions, micro-assumptions, micro-accusations, micro-arrogances, micro-insinuations. These are just a few, yet you cannot imagine my frustrations. These particular en masse indignities cut into me on a scale of which you may have never experienced, whilst on the other hand, I am tired of it, weathered by it, worn from it, tired of being tired of every micro-aggressive form of it. I am tired of trying to care where few seem to care about how casual racism makes me feel. And when colleagues see it and don't stand up for me, then what does that reveal? Revelation. This is an appeal of great proportions, and I pray you see the lies of his story's colourful distortions. See, my skin is not thicker, nor less sensitive. It is just as sensational as yours, with the same pores and flaws, a different hue to you, but still, same race of human being, who is feeling the injustice of out-of-date ideas about skin with which you seem to be agreeing. The difference is only paper thin. We are kin. So asking, where are you really from, feels almost accusational. And just because it's unusual does not mean my name's replaceable. Instead, you could say, what's your heritage? And come on, you can learn a new name. It's the first mark of respect. Wouldn't you expect the same? I am sure we can agree. It is moral and dignified to help people in life. So please, be kind when I'm helping you, because surely saving both our dignities is right. Let's care for each other, so we can care for each other. Thank you. Throughout the NHS, I am the spirit of care, working within the helper's wear. Regardless of accent, skin tone or hair, I am here to treat you, please treat me fair.